In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an API key in ElevenLabs, fast and easy. Now, if you haven't heard about it before, an API key is essentially a code passed in by computer programs calling an API to identify the calling program. It's a crucial element that allows you to interact with the powerful tools available within ElevenLabs seamlessly. To kick things off, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your ElevenLabs account. This is the launching pad for accessing all functionalities, including obtaining your API key. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to do so before moving forward with these steps. Make sure you have your credentials ready, and once you're logged in, let's proceed. Next, cast your eyes towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Right there, you'll find the profile icon waiting for you. It's usually represented by an avatar or your initials. Click on this icon to unveil further profile options. This is your gateway to customizing and managing your account settings. Now that you've opened that drop-down menu by clicking your profile icon, your next step is to select the Profile option. Clicking here will guide you to a new realm where you can view and edit your profile information. This is where everything related to your account is nestled neatly so you can access it with ease. Within your profile, direct your attention to the section marked API Keys. Clicking on this link is essential as it's where the magic happens. This section is specifically reserved for API keys, giving you the control to manage and retrieve your keys efficiently. Once you're in this section, you're only a step away from obtaining your key. Finally, you'll see an option to copy your key instantly. Clicking this copies the key to your clipboard, making it incredibly easy for you to implement it wherever you need. This small yet powerful string of characters will now be ready for you to use, whether you're setting up integrations, automating tasks, or exploring the advanced functionalities ElevenLabs has to offer. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of obtaining your API key in ElevenLabs. It's quick, it's easy, and now you're ready to dive deeper into the endless possibilities that come with having your API key in hand. Remember, keep this key secure as it is sensitive information that grants access to vital resources on your ElevenLabs account. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. Now you're all set to start exploring APIs like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.